Hello everyone and welcome back. Once we are done with insert method in doubly linked list, it's time to start with remove method in doubly linked list. Here, remove method removes node at the specified index in the linked list. And this remove method works exactly same as it was working in the singly linked list. So if you want, you can pause the video, try to write your own pseudocode and then start writing your code in the Visual Studio. If the things are working fine, great. If not, no need to be sad. I am always there for you. So let's begin. Here we have our doubly linked list with data A, B, C and D. Suppose I want to remove node C. At that time what I can do, I will make B dot next as D and then D dot previous as B and my things are done. So firstly what I will do, I will try to get node C. Once I will get node C, we will simply get C dot previous as B inside some variable and C dot next as D in some other variable. And once both these nodes will be stored in some variable, then our task will be easy and we can simply change the pointer and achieve what we really want. Once our concept is ready, it's time to write our own pseudocode. So let's begin. Here, we will define function that accept an index. And then we will check if index is lesser than 0 or index is greater than or equal to length, then we will simply return false. That means given index is invalid. Else if we will write index is equal to 0, that means we want to remove our node from the starting of the list. Means we can use shift method. In the else if part, again we will check if our index is equal to length minus 1, so we want to actually remove item from the last index. At that time, we can make use of pop method. But suppose our condition is not satisfying in this else if or if part, then we need to go to the else part. And there it is saying use get function to get node at the specified index and then store in a variable called remove node, and it can be anything whatever you prefer. Once we will have our node to be removed inside some variable, we will hold value of remove node dot previous inside previous node variable and then remove node dot next inside after node variable. Once that is done, we will simply set previous node dot next to after node and then after node dot previous to previous node. Once that is done, actually our node is removed. But we want to actually break the connection with the removed node also. So we will simply make removed node and then both next and previous pointer we will make it as null. Once that is done, we will simply decrement length by 1 and then we will return our linked list. Once our pseudocode is ready, let's try to write our own code inside Visual Studio. Here, we will create our remove method and it will accept index as a parameter. It is saying if index is lesser than 0 or index is greater than or equal to length, then return false. So we will write if index is lesser than 0 or index is greater than or equal to this dot length. At that time we will return false. That means our index is invalid. In the next part, else if index is equal to 0, use shift method to remove node, and if index is equal to length minus 1, then use pop method to remove node. So here we will write else if index is equal to 0, then we will make use of shift method to remove our node. This dot shift and our things are done. Else if our index is equal to this dot length minus 1. So we want to remove our last node. At that time we will use this dot pop. Then it is saying in the else part, use get function to get node at the index position and store in a variable called remove node. So in the else part, we will take one variable, let remove node is equal to this dot get, and there we will pass index. Then hold value of remove node dot previous inside previous node variable and remove node dot next inside after node variable. So same way we will also do, let previous node is equal to remove node dot previous, and then after node is equal to remove node dot next. Once we know our previous node and after node, our 50% of the things are done. Then we will set previous node dot next to the after node and then after node dot previous to the previous node. As simple as that. So we are just changing the pointer. Previous node dot next will be now our after node. And once next is after node, so after node dot previous will be previous node. As simple as that. Once that is done, we will actually remove the pointers from our removed node. So do that too. For that we will simply write remove node dot firstly previous is equal to null, and then remove node dot next is equal to null. Once that is done, we will simply decrement length by 1 and then we will return our linked list. After that, this dot length minus minus, and then we will return our linked list. Once that is done, our remove method is completely done. And this step, remove node dot previous is equal to null or remove node dot next is equal to null, is actually needed when we are returning our remove node, because if we will not make it empty-fied, then using this pointer we can traverse the whole list, as I have already told that things in my singly linked list removed concept. So again, not to repeat the same thing again, I will simply call my remove method now. So here we have 1, 2 and 3. Suppose I want to remove node at index 1, that is 2. So let's call our removed method. Doubly linked list dot remove, and there I will pass index 1. So 2 will be removed. And then wrap this thing inside console.log. Once that is done, here we are able to see my length is 2. And again, if I go inside, we are able to see 1 is connected to 3 directly, not 2. So 2 is removed and our remove method is ready. If you want, you can check it with multiple options. For example, remove at 0, remove at length position and other things. And I make sure that things will be perfectly alright. With this, our remove method is completely done. My friends, please follow my complete video tutorial about data structure and algorithms in JavaScript and be confident in each and every interview. Thank you very much for now. Let's meet in our next video tutorial where we will sum up our doubly linked list. Thank you very much for now.